Hey, it's Jang here from RCmania.com and Ultimate RC. This is the MaxTech MAXX'd Out RC Mustang from the Maya Group. It's also available as a Dodge Challenger. They have a orange customized Dodge Challenger. It's a 1/10 scale RC vehicle, so it has a pretty decent size. And if you ask me, it looks pretty good. They did a nice job on the details. They got the fenders widened out, but it's not too silly looking. Overall, a great looking vehicle. Here's your controller. It's not digital proportional, but it is a pro style controller with a steering wheel and the trigger. It is a tri-band controller, so you can run 3 vehicles at once. Here's how it drives. And go. Begin turbo now. Here comes full speed right after this corner, and really that sucks. Sad. Loud. Annoying. Weak. Crap. Well, if you want to know what I really think about this car, check out the full review at RCmania.com.